Curta Trades here, and today I'm going to show you the best things to buy for your brand new vehicle. And these are convenience things, things that will help you to keep your vehicle looking nice, and just overall good things to have in a vehicle. And I get them for every single vehicle that I own, and it's usually the first couple things that I buy. If you're looking to purchase any of these, check out a link in the description to buy any of the ones that I have mentioned in this video. First thing I always get for my vehicle is rubber floor mats. I have really nasty winters out, and as you can see, there's a little bit of mud and dirt and stuff here, and these carpet floor mats just do not cut it. I don't even know why they put these in cars anyways. I always buy floor mats that are rubber. WeatherTech are a really good brand. LasFit are a really good brand. And again, there's some links in the description to purchase those if you'd like to. I can't stress enough how lame carpet mats are. You got to get the rubber one. Next thing I always do is I always remove anything the dealer has put on the vehicle, like this surround here. It's not that I don't like the dealer I bought my car from. I actually really like that dealer. It just really, I don't like the look of it. It detracts from the overall image of the vehicle. And also sometimes they'll put vinyl decals with the dealership name or brand logo on them. Immediately take those off, and it's not hard to do. Literally just 2 screws. Just unscrew it, take it off, screws back in. It's literally one of the easiest mods you can do yourself. The next thing I always do when I get a new car is I install a dash cam, and I have that right up here. It's kind of hard to see with the sun. And a dash cam, basically, it will record the front and the rear of your vehicle all the time. And if you ever get into an accident, you can very easily prove who's at fault. And I think every single vehicle should have a dash cam in it. They're not hard to set up. They're usually, you can get a really good one for under $200, and there's a lot of really good options as well around the $100 range. It'll pay for itself in one accident. And then I also always buy a code reader, and what this is this costs about 30 or 40 bucks online, and you can read your check engine light codes with one. And for 30 bucks, you might as well throw one in the glove box of every car you have. If you're on a road trip or something and your check engine light comes on, you literally just plug it into the port under here, and it will tell you what the code is that your car is throwing. Then you can know, oh, this is something I can drive with, it's not a big deal, or hey, I need to take this to the dealer and get it fixed ASAP. So code reader is super awesome to have in your glove box. Don't go without one. And especially with how cheap they are and easy to use they are as well. If there are other things that you like to get to that I didn't talk about, let me know in the comments below, and we can see what other people think are good things to have with a brand new vehicle.